physics. Electric is electric. And you go to also, the smallest molecule we can find today, also proven. Inside your body, every moment you think you're solid, still you're not. Every single moment, there's a vibration, there's a sound of vibration everywhere, every moment. So when you look at yourself, your body, just imagine you're the particle. Around you, there's a huge field of energy. And that's what Einstein pointed out. The field is the sole governing agency of the particle. So what I'm trying to tell you, you think you, as the solid human being, your cell, your atom, everything responding for your life, think bigger. It's much bigger field out there. And we go back to DNA. Today we find out we so-called DNA, they're absolutely not junk. They are essential. They receive light, respond to magnetic field, respond to sound. It's like an antenna. And even today we talk about the ATP, the energy we can believe in medicine. It also relies on how much light you receive, how much energy you receive, and also trigger how much respond. So, and also you look back again. NASA sent astronaut to the space, but he has a twin brother on Earth. After the mission's finished, come back, what happened? Identical twin is supposed to have exact gene coding, right? It should be exactly the same. But astronaut came back, most of the genes already changed in hundreds. So what it tells you? The external input, the field, determine you as a being, how you be healthy, how you be ill, and how you think, how you act. So today, say there's no doubt we are connected by energy, by light, and this is, you can look into the latest scientific research. Cell communicates through light. And what's even more, we talk about environment can modify all of us. So not only the food we swallow, even the air we breathe can change our genetic information. And also the same holds true that your affection, emotion you receive from your parents also have the power to change your information genetically. So this is the introduction I want to give. So air, we start with air. From the ancient wisdom, we talk about the Greek wisdom, air gives us a soul, life, and conscience. And we go back to Bible. What does it say? God formed man from dust, from the ground, and he breathed the breath of life into man's nostril. And the man become a living person. Everything tells one simple thing. Breathing is everything about life. So, why breathing is so important? Why? So we have to go to the basic. So that's why today the talk is going to be very unusual for you. So the basic life, to be a living being, we require water, electromagnetic field, and oxygen in the water has a special property for electron excitation. So when we talk about breathing, everybody always talk about oxygen, simple oxygen. And later I will give you more on this particular topic about oxygen. So all these years, we always focus on oxygen generate ATP energy. But life is very simple. It's just one conversion. Convert oxygen to be water in this process. What is this process? So often we heard about oxidative stress. Doesn't matter what you do. In sports, in medicine, everything we talk about oxidative stress, free radical. But I tell you, free radical is fundamental to life. Without a free radical, without this change, we cannot get energy transfer. Because the fundamental law of energy is energy can never be created, can never be destroyed. You only convert. So in this four-step conversion, when oxygen converts into water, that's where life's about. And that's where we have the energy transfer, cellular energy, and biochemical process, all these cascade events we've been looking at. So everything we're looking at, you go to the fundamental, it's about energy, it's about electric. And you go back to life into your smallest unit cells. Again, you see cells activity from proliferation to eventually die. Everything relies on electric energy. When you're losing the energy, the cells start also dying. And the same thing also, today there's a lot of talk about the pH level in the body, in the water, etc.